This is a final video to fix the unable to use Roblox voice chat even when verified problem. Are you facing this annoying issue where you are verified but still can't join voice chat in Roblox? This usually happens because of account settings, privacy restrictions, or Roblox's internal voice chat system not syncing properly. Most solutions you'll find on YouTube or social media are confusing, with too many steps and unclear instructions, making it hard to follow. But on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that works instantly. All you need is to check your account age, enable voice chat in settings, and restart Roblox while making sure your device permissions are fully granted. This method solved the problem fast without complicated steps or extra apps. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you.